Private Academy. Today we know about AI-enabled vaccine awareness and appointment management system. Here, the main introduction of our project, the vaccine awareness and appointment management system. Here, we use it in our application is for the front end. Here we use it HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the back end, here we use it Python. For the Python, here we use it a Flask framework and for database here we used MySQL. This in this application here we designed and managed vaccination centers and user appointments and awareness campaigns and vaccine related feedback efficiency. Here in this system here we are mainly integrated AI powered board chatbot and news sentiment analysis module. We fetch the data from real time sources like Google News like that way with intelligent responses regarding vaccines information and analyze public opinion on vaccines using by use NLP. Okay. Here the main object is in our project the vaccine appointment booking process and vaccine management for campaign awareness and AI chatbot to analyze vaccine relevant news sentiment to collect feedback from the users for their vaccinated users. It is a our project user interface. Here we have basically two modules, admin module and user module. Coming to admin login page, here the admin can log in with the by default credentials like admin. Yeah. After the admin successfully login action, here the admin can view all his added vaccination center. Here the admin can adding the vaccines. Here the admin can adding vaccines like this way. Vaccination center name and vaccination center profile and vaccination center address. Here the weekdays of timings and weekends of timings. Here for the vaccination centers weekdays and weekends timings. Here the admin can add it here. After successfully adding, here the admin can view all the vaccination added centers details. For the vaccination centers here date wise, here the admin can view all the booked appointments for the users and view their feedback also. Here there is no one can give feedback here at now. And coming to news sentiment, here the admin can view all the news details. Yeah, here in this real-time website, here we are fetching the data from for this news data. Here we are fetching from here investigate investing.com. Here in this website, basically here we are by using selenium and by using text blob. Here we are finding the sentiment analysis from the fetched reviews data and by using selenium and beautiful sub. Here we are fetching the data from this investigating.com website. After successfully web scraping, here we are storing the data into MySQL successfully, and we are also finding the sentiment analysis from the fetched reviews data. After this successfully fetched data, here we are viewing both admin and users. Here we showing and yeah, it is the fetched data and it is the sentiment score for the for this review text. For this review text here we used positive or negative. We are finding the sentiment by using text blob library. Here we are finding the sentiment score for that news review text. And coming to campaigns here, the admin can add the campaigns like title, campaign type, and location, address, description about that campaign. Here the admin adding that campaign, all viewers can view this campaigns and join on that particular date about awareness. Like also we have awareness programs here. Yeah, admin adding awareness programs here, like this way. Awareness details here, and after adding the awareness details here, the admin can view all added his details, date, time, or description, and awareness project concept. Here total view all details. And here the admin can also view users details, how many users in his portal register, all registered users details. Here the admin can view. And coming to user, before user login action, user clicks on here, and user register with the personal details like his name, email, phone number, password, address, and his gender and age. By clicking on register button, he clicks he can register successfully. After successfully register, user can log in with their registered email and password here. After user successfully registration, here the admin can view all his any questioning details, like why should we take vaccines, how does it takes. Here the admin can view questions. And also we fetched from investing.com website and news data. Here the user can also view here the news details. And the user can view all admin added vaccine centers and books appointments, like this way. Okay, after the bookings here, the admin can view all his appointments and give feedbacks, basic information. Okay, he clicks on next. He select randomly. I'm selecting randomly some data and giving submission. Data experience also here giving. Okay. Yeah, after submitted, we get status submitted, feedback submitted. Okay. Admin can view all users' feedback in his after login action. Okay, and here the user can view all admin added campaigns, and here the admin can register here. And also the user can view all admin added campaigns. Here the users can view and attend that. If he want to attend that awareness program, he can attend it that date, time, on the time the users can attend that awareness program. And also user friendly. Here the admin can chat with the chatbot. Here the admin can chat with the AI chatbot. It is our complete project. AI recommended AI enable vaccine awareness and appointment management system. Here in this project, we are covered modules. In admin module, we are covered admin authentication and vaccination center management and campaign and appointment monitoring and awareness program management and feedback analysis. The users data, user feedbacks, the admin can view here. And in the user module, the user can log in and he can see view vaccines and book the appointment for the vaccine centers, and view all campaigns and register that uh, user can view all awareness programs details also here. And user can user friendly with the chart with the AI chatbot here. And user can also, and user at the same time admin can also view news and sentiment analysis data here. After vaccination, here the admin can the user can uh, give feedback for that vaccination center. Okay. And the main technologies here, once again, the main technologies here, our project is user. Here we are user for the backend. Here we used My For the backend here we used Python, and for that Python here we used a Flask framework, and database storage here we used MongoDB NoSQL data, and Spacey we used for implement AI chatbot, and Selenium we used for web scraping to fetch real-time vaccination related news data, and we used a text block for sentiment analysis, and pandas use it to processing for organizing scrapped news data before storing the database. And for the front end here we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is our total completion of the project of vaccination. If you want user friendly any modification in this project, I can do that also. And for more details about this project, for more ML technologies, and about this project, all the details in this project I am ping in description. Thank you.